Hi y'all, this is Kathy Rucat Smith with Palmetto Coastal Homes. I'm at one of my new listings on the beach in Garden City. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom oceanfront condo at the Seamaster complex. Now, what's different about this condo, most 3-bedrooms have 3 bathrooms, 3 full bathrooms. These owners decided to convert one of their bathrooms into a full laundry room. So you've got a full-size stackable washer and dryer, along with some extra storage space. So I'm going to flip the camera around. We are going to do a little walking tour of this property. So when you come in, you've got a foyer area. And they have made a few updates. They've got the LVT flooring throughout the living room, the kitchen, the dining room, and new carpets in the bedrooms. At the front of the condo, you've got 1 bedroom. This is the room where they took away the bathroom and added that laundry space. So as you can see, you've got a full-sized washer and dryer. That comes in handy when you've been at the beach all day. And then you've got some extra storage space. Condos never have enough storage space, so that's a great idea. The condo opens up into the kitchen. You can see you've got the LVT floors in here as well, and stainless steel appliances. The best thing is, from the kitchen you can see the ocean. You've got great views straight outside. You've got a dining room and a living room space. Tucked to the left, you've got one of your other guest bedrooms. Good sized bedroom here. And then it does have a bump out. This bathroom, the hall bathroom, can be accessed from this bedroom as well as the hall. So this is a great bathroom for guests. The sellers did update the hall bath. You've got tile flooring in there and an updated vanity. And the master bedroom and master bath are at the back of the condo, but the side that faces the ocean. And you do have access to your oceanfront balcony directly from the master bedroom. And probably the best part of the condo is the ocean views from this balcony. You've got a direct ocean view. Some of the condos in this community do have an ocean view and also a view of the pool, but for here, this condo has a direct ocean view. You can see the Garden City Pier in the distance to the north. And then you've got a great view to the south down to Surfside Beach. So this neighborhood, this condo complex also has an outdoor pool. So the building is a U-shaped and the pool is in the middle of those two sides of the U. So it's kind of protected, but still gives you those great ocean views. So again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom oceanfront condo at the Seamaster Resort in Garden City Beach. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 843-267-2710, and you can text me there as well. If you're seeing this on social media anywhere, you can also comment below this video and I will get back to you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.